we're still here. Something is missing. Yes. So hello guys, hello the family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this video. Sariel here, still present. So first of all, I want to thank you. Thank you so much for being present. Thank you so much for your support. A lot of you have sent me some messages and I'm so honored for that. And thank you very much. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that it's just about life, fatherhood, church services, and all the things we have to manage. But that brings me to what I've been doing for the Sebene Academy. I've been preparing some special thing for you, and specifically you must have seen the short teaser I posted on my YouTube channel. It's a really big project for me, a deep goal that I want to reach. The mobile application is being developed. Is the solution I'm bringing on the table for those of you trying to learn music, because it's not going to be only about guitar. In the midterm, it will be also about bass guitar, piano, and drum, and still on this African style, Congolese rumba, Congolese Sebene, and you know, a bit of a typical African smooth music. I've been teaching since a pretty long time the guitar. You know, I've just realized that it's been 20 years. 20 years. This mobile application is some kind of a celebration for my 20 years of playing the guitar. I try to anticipate all the difficulties a beginner or a guitar learner can encounter. So let's celebrate these 20 years of me playing the guitar. And yes, just join the group. There is two ways to support this project. The first one is to subscribe to the Sebene Academy as a student. So the English version is still under construction, but if you want to support, you can join and I will give you access to the French version, and step by step I will bring the content for my English speakers. The second option is to get to the crowdfunding campaign. Yeah, you can find all the link in the description below, and if you want to donate, you can donate whatever amount you want. It will be appreciated. Just take a look on the description below. Join me in this project. Support me as you can, at least by liking the video, following me on my social media, putting some comments. Let's have a chat. Let's talk about this project. Now let's shortly talk about this application. One of the reasons of this mobile application was to make myself available to all of the person who would like to learn in my way, with my approach. Secondly, the best way for you to improve as an instrument music learner is to play in a band, because it set a goal for you. So this focus, this concentration of your energy to achieve these specific, really specific goals, that makes you improve in your instrument skill. So with this mobile application, I want to create the environment to help you play just as if you were part of a band. And one of the biggest value this application is bringing on the table is the library. It's gonna contain a lot of loops, a lot of different melodies, different notes, different key, still on this African style. So you'll get some lessons, some demonstration, and then go to the workout session in the library, and you will be able to play, to practice and execute all the lesson, all the techniques, all the melodies, the riff, the tunes you would have learned earlier. I may ask some of my friends to help me and to give some classes, to make some videos. So the purpose is to create this environment and to put the equivalent of this pressure, if you're playing in a band, to help you get this focus, to concentrate on this specific goal, specific melody you would like to play. And when you concentrate on this melody, you improve. I think English people have an expression that says, French kiss, keep it short and simple. That's exactly what I've been trying to do, creating this mobile application. So this video is to sign my comeback. I will be working in the studio to create more backing tracks and to create some specific materials that will help you in your learning music journey. In the next videos, there will be some tutorials, some lessons, and yes, this new way of doing some workout session together. You will have a glimpse on how I will teach you through this mobile application. So stay tuned, family, and let's play some music together, right?